Although it's certainly true that some people more naturally possess some of the traits of a leader than others, leadership really is a collection of skills, many of which can be learned and improved over time. In fact, Bennis and Nanus said that it is the capacity to develop and improve their skills that distinguishes leaders from their followers. I'll leave a link to some of their work in the description below. Before I carry on, if you find this kind of thing interesting and you want to learn to become an even better leader, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you find this particular video interesting, then please do hit the like button so that others can find it. Thank you. Management is about maintaining systems and processes, whereas leadership is all about influencing followers. As a result, and as I discussed in a previous video, many aspects of management can be relatively quick to learn, while due to their nature, the real skills of leadership can take a long time to master. Leadership is a long game. When ultra-long distance runners describe how they can compete over such huge distances, they often describe relentless forward momentum. The idea is that as their energy levels ebb and flow over the course of a race, they consistently chip away at the mileage. Sometimes faster, sometimes more slowly, but most importantly, they never stop and give up. A 100-kilometre ultramarathon is 100,000 steps taken one by one. And every one of those steps will get you a little nearer to the finish line, no matter how fast or slow, how easy or painful. And likewise, there will certainly be a mix of good going and uphill struggles as you work to effect any change. Some milestones will seem to glide past, while others will make you fight for every inch. But you must keep going, and all the while helping those that are following you on the journey too. No one said this was going to be easy. For new leaders, and for those taking on new challenges, this can be a really daunting prospect. And this is really quite normal. In fact, I go so far as to say that if you weren't a little daunted, you probably just haven't appreciated just how much effort it's going to take to become a really great leader. And as far as study is concerned, you'll almost certainly not be able to maintain the same levels of energy throughout. Whether it's through illness or other commitments or opportunities or simply fatigue, the amount you're able to achieve day to day, week to week, will vary hugely. And this can make a huge difference to your sense of satisfaction and your motivation. On a good day where work and learning seems almost effortless, your motivation will be sky high and you'll be super keen to do the same again tomorrow. But on the flip side, a day which has been perhaps less productive can be really hard to take, especially if this happens over an extended period. But it's important to remember that this is just quite normal. As the famous American military leader Creighton W. Abrams Jr. once famously said, "When eating an elephant, take one bite at a time." Neither leadership nor learning will ever be a smooth run, but take heart in the fact that you're making progress on your goals and getting nearer and nearer each day, becoming more and more skilled, as long as you never stop. The good news is that everyone has the potential to be a great leader, but you do need to persevere. Leadership simply doesn't develop in a day or even a few weeks or months. Of course, the mental effort required to take a giant leap one day may only get you a tiny step the next. And if it really is all you can manage, a tiny step is just fine. But do take that step and be pleased with the progress and really proud of yourself for taking it. But most importantly, don't give up. Just remind yourself that it's a long road and it doesn't really matter if you slow down now and again, as long as you maintain that relentless forward momentum. And if you have any tips to help others keep pushing forward, please do share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.